This is some things the Welsh do not like. There's little Alfie. There's a white car. This is why. You tried to throw a double at me. I don't like having a white car because if I have too much snow, if we get too much snow, my van disappears, you see, and there's a white one across the street as well. So people coming up here or coming in here got a tendency to accidentally drive into my flicking vehicles. So let's say ta to Alfie. There he goes. Right for kids, innit? They love it. Here's another snow lady coming in. Did you enjoy your love?
I did.
Did you put your boots on?
I wore my wellies this morning.
Shirley's been out now. She had to take the kids over to school to find out there's no school.
Did you want another coffee, Bob?
Yeah, I'll have coffee, thank you ever so much.
You going out?
I don't know whether to risk going out. Is it worth going out? There's nothing for me to do over the works. You know, it's not so much my driving, it's somebody else's driving, isn't it?
Yeah.
Somebody drives straight into me, like, to me? Somebody drive to me. So a few more hours and my front will look tidy. Look real nice. So, let's go and find something to do.